Oh, I've put you onto the fish again, Les. You can't say I'm not showing you where the fish are.
That's all you're doing, mate.
I know, I'm not catching them.
You're not helping me.
Oh, he's a nice one. Oh, he's fat too.
Oh, shit.
Oh, geez, Les. You alright? Is that going to come out easy or not? No?
No.
Well, unhook your bloody, oh, you've got it off your line, no. Unhook this to start with so you can get your...
The fish threw it around. These sharp little bastards.
Right, now. Now you're free of that. It's in a fair way, isn't it? Yeah. Which way are you going? Do you want the pliers to sort of...
Yeah.
You don't get the other one in your arm when you're doing it.
Oh, shit. I'm gonna have to just pull it. Oh, won't pull though.
Won't it? They...
Take that one written, you might get a keeper.
Don't drop your lure overboard now.
Go anyway.